Hey, my name is Greta. Welcome to your Yoga Nidra experience. Yoga Nidra is an ancient technique for deep rest and connection with the deepest layers of yourself. It helps with the deficit of sleep, helps to calm down and release accumulated stress and worry. I invite you to begin the session by finding a comfortable position for your body. May it be laying down in Shavasana, laying on your side, or even seated with the spine supported. And if you feel comfortable enough, I encourage you to close down the eyes, taking all the time that you need to make yourself comfortable. And let's start by breathing a little. I invite you to do a 3-part breath with me. So first inhaling into the belly, then the chest, and then exhaling slowly and effortlessly. So inhaling deeply into the lower abdomen and bringing the air up to the chest and exhaling slowly through the nose or mouth. When exhaling, you could also contract your throat, imagining like you're fogging a mirror. So it will sound something like this. And taking 10 slow, deep breaths for a few minutes. You can find your own rhythm, or you can do it with me. Releasing all the tension with an exhale. Allowing your body to sink deep. Allowing your body to become heavy. With every exhale becoming more and more effortless. And 2 more breaths. And coming back to the natural breath. And settling in, grounding into the present, making sure your body is completely comfortable, and sensing any tension in the jaw, and releasing it with a deep breath. Sensing the arms and the legs, and allowing them to sink deeply into the support. And the whole body becoming heavy and at ease. beginning to notice the sounds in your space and the sounds in this recording. All the different sounds all around you. Maybe there are any smells that are present, any aroma. Just noticing that. And noticing if there's any tastes on the taste buds inside your mouth. And bringing your awareness to the middle of the chest. Sensing any sensations in the heart region. Just observing. And here you can set your own sankalpa if you're working on any right now. Setting your own heart's desire or intention. And if you're not working with any intention right now, if it resonates, you may use I am deeply grounded into the present moment. I am deeply grounded into the present moment. And repeating your sankalpa silently in your mind for 3 times. Sensing your awareness migrating to the top of your head. Sensing the top of your head and any sensations that are present there. The middle of the eyebrows. Right eye. Eyelid. Eyelashes. Left eye. Eyelid. And eyelashes. The tip of the nose. Inside the right nostril, inside the left nostril, upper lip, inside of the mouth, gums and teeth, tongue, lower lip, chin, the whole neck and throat, right collarbone, right shoulder joint, armpit, upper arm, elbow, lower arm, wrist, palm, fingers, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. all of the fingertips of the right palm, the whole arm now, the whole right arm. To the left collarbone, left shoulder joint, armpit, upper arm, elbow, lower arm, wrist, palm, and fingers, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. All fingertips of the left palm, the whole left arm, the whole left arm, into the middle of the chest, rib cage, solar plexus, navel, belly, deep inside of the belly, lower belly, pelvis and pelvic floor, the whole hip bowl, right hip, thigh, inner thigh, knee joint, shin and calf, ankle, sole of the foot, and toes, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. And all the tips of the toes, and the whole right leg, back to the hip bowl, left hip, thigh, and inner thigh, deep in the knee joint, shin and calf, ankle, sole of the foot, toes, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. And all the tips of the toes. The whole left leg. And the whole body now. Sensing the whole body full of different sensations. The whole body breathing itself. natural breath. Natural, effortless breath. And if you may, inviting into your imagination a magnificent tree full of leaves, all green, and imagining as you exhale, that tree then inhales, and when the tree exhales, you inhale. When you exhale, the tree inhales. When the tree exhales, you inhale. Keeping the natural breath. And keep on imagining and creating this sacred connection to the tree in your imagination, and also all the trees around you. As it is said that half of the lungs hang there in the branches of the trees. If you may try and feel this. And dropping this visualization and sensing deep within your body, like roots of a giant tree reaching into the pregnant depths of the earth. Sensing all the vital organs. The warmth of the body. Even blood running through the veins. And sensing the silence or any sounds deep within. And then the surface of the body, like the branches and the leaves on the trees. Sensing all the curves and crevices. Sensing the hair on the body, like the grass and the soil. All the surface. And coming back to the depth and darkness. And switching back to the surface of the body. And at your own pace, switching from the depth to the surface. And finally, inviting both sensations of the depth and of the surface to come alive in your experience. Both of the opposing sensations at the same time. you may, concentrating your attention to the middle of the eyebrows. And then welcoming the following visualizations. Giant and green lush, all the trees in the woods. A family of wild boars calmly roaming the forest. Fields full of magnificent wildflowers. A herd of cows silently nibbling grass. A broad, endless horizon. A deep blue lake guarded by the old woodlands. Radiant and shining fish swimming in a calm lake. The symphony of all kinds of birds. Birds forming a V shape in the sky. A vast blue cloudless summer sky. A vast blue cloudless summer sky. And now just resting here, as vast as that cloudless summer sky, and residing as awareness itself. And welcoming back your sankalpa or your intention, and feeling it resonating everywhere in your body, outside of your body, everywhere. Maybe you used the sankalpa that I recommended. I am deeply grounded into the present moment. Sensing yourself as awareness once more. Noticing your emotional tone. Any thoughts that are present. And awareness of the breath. In and out, natural flow of air. And taking 3 deep breaths, followed by deep sighs. And starting to notice the body laying or sitting. And attention flows to your fingers. And starting to move the thumb. Feeling every movement of every joint. Then the first finger, the second, third, and fourth, and making a fist and peeling all the fingers of the fist. Then the left palm, sensing your whole left palm, and sensing your thumb, and starting to move your thumb, feeling all the joints and the movement. Then the first finger, second, third, and fourth, and the whole palm, making the fist with the palm, and stretching the fingers. And awareness coming to the toes, starting to slowly wiggle the toes, sensing every movement of every joint. And if you wish, you could move your arms up above the head, interlock the fingers, and give yourself a big, nice stretch. Slowly waking up your body and rolling onto one side or hugging the knees to the chest. And thanking yourself for giving yourself this time to rest. And I thank you so much for being here with me. Have a good day or a good night. See you next time.